Winter, cold mornings, dark skies, and that never-ending temptation to just stay in bed a little longer. We all know how hard it is to stay productive during winter when your blanket feels like heaven and motivation feels miles away. But what if this winter, you use the season differently? What if instead of slowing down, you built a routine that made you stronger, sharper, and more focused than ever before? This winter isn't your excuse, it's your opportunity. Let's build your perfect winter study routine, one that keeps you warm, consistent, and ahead of everyone else. 1. Start with a gentle morning. Let's be honest, winter mornings are brutal. It's cold, your bed feels perfect, and even sunlight shows up late. So don't fight the season. Flow with it. Wake up calmly, maybe 30 minutes later than usual if needed. But wake up intentionally. As soon as you get out of bed, avoid your phone. Instead, go straight to movement and warmth. Stretch. Do a few jumping jacks. Drink warm water. Turn on soft music or instrumental lo-fi beats. Let your body wake up slowly but surely. Then, sit down with your notebook and write 3 things. 1 thing you're grateful for. 1 thing you'll study today. 1 promise to yourself. Because winter mornings are not for rushing, they're for grounding yourself before the world wakes up. If your environment feels cold and lifeless, your mind will too. So turn your study space into your winter comfort zone. Add a small lamp with warm light. Keep a cup of coffee, tea, or hot chocolate next to you. Light a candle or use a little heater if possible. Your goal is to make your desk feel like your safe place, not a punishment zone. And here's the secret. Keep it clean. A tidy desk instantly boosts mental clarity. Before every study session, clear your space. That's how you tell your brain, it's time to focus. During winter, your brain starts slow, just like your body. So don't dive straight into the hardest subject. Start with a warm-up study task, something light but useful. For example, revise notes. Watch a short lecture, do flashcards, or practice questions. After 20 minutes, your brain will be awake and ready to handle heavier topics. Then switch into deep study mode, 45-minute focus sessions, 10-minute breaks. This rhythm keeps your focus high and your energy steady even on cold, sleepy days. Winter evenings are magical, quiet, calm, and perfect for reflection. So, instead of wasting them scrolling or binge-watching, make your evenings your study power hour. Here's how it goes. Dim your lights slightly. Play relaxing study music. Wrap yourself in a blanket. Keep your phone far away. Then study for 1-2 hours with full concentration. Because when the world slows down, you can speed up. That's how you get ahead, not by doing more, but by doing it better while everyone else is lazy. Winter nights are long. Use that extra time wisely. Before bed, avoid your phone's blue light. Instead, read something inspiring. A few pages of a book, a biography, or even your own notes. Reading before bed helps your brain absorb knowledge better and gives you peaceful sleep. If you want an extra boost, write down 1 line you learned that day. It's a small act, but it trains your brain to end every day with purpose. Focus doesn't come from effort alone, it comes from energy. And in winter, your body needs more care. So here are a few rules for your winter study routine. Eat warm, healthy meals. Soups, lentils, nuts, fruit. Drink enough water, yes, even when it's cold. Take short walks in sunlight to fight laziness and boost mood. Sleep enough, 7 to 8 hours minimum. Because a healthy body creates a focused mind. You don't need to push harder. You just need to recharge smarter. Everyone wants results, but very few survive the first 21 days. Here's the truth. You won't feel motivated every day this winter. Some days you'll feel sleepy, tired, or unproductive. And that's okay. But promise yourself this: never break the streak. Even if you can't study for hours, study for 20 minutes. Even if you feel unmotivated, open your books, because consistency isn't about being perfect, it's about showing up no matter what. Once you hit 21 days of steady study, it becomes automatic. You won't need to force focus, it will come naturally. Winter is already tough. Don't make your routine feel like punishment. After every focused study block or productive day, reward yourself. Watch your favorite series. Call a friend. Listen to music. Go outside and feel the cold air on your face. Small rewards create positive energy. And positive energy keeps you going. So build a reward system that makes your brain say, studying feels good. It's easy to say, it's too cold. I'll start tomorrow. I'll study when it's warmer. But you and I both know those tomorrows never come. This winter, flip the script. Let the cold remind you that this is your training season. Because the one who studies when others sleep, the one who grinds when others rest, that's the one who wins in the end. So, let your warmth come from your discipline. Let your success be your heater. Winter is the season of stillness, perfect for planning. Take one evening and visualize your goals. Write them down or make a vision board. It could be, get top grades this semester, start my side project, fix my sleep schedule. Place that vision board where you can see it every day. Because when you can see your dreams, you'll fight harder for them, even on cold mornings. This winter isn't meant to slow you down, it's meant to strengthen you. While everyone complains about the cold, you'll be building something powerful. Discipline, focus, consistency. And when spring comes, you won't be starting over. You'll already be miles ahead. So wake up, wrap yourself in determination. Make that coffee, and open your books. Because somewhere out there, your future self is watching, and they're proud that you didn't give up this winter. This winter, don't just stay warm, stay focused.